Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is 15 worst foods for diabetics to avoid. You may already be aware that both type 1 and type 2 diabetes are influenced by dietary choices. Consuming high sugar foods can have adverse effects on your health, especially if you have diabetes. However, some foods are more detrimental than others, and there are even seemingly healthy options that conceal significant hidden sugars. Today, we're going to unveil the 15 foods that are not ideal for individuals with diabetes. Let's dive in. Reduced fat packaged foods. When you see products labeled as low fat on store shelves, it might seem like a healthier choice. However, it's crucial to remember that food companies prioritize taste. To compensate for reduced fat content, they often add substantial amounts of hidden sugars. Items like low-fat yogurts, chips, and crackers can be loaded with added sugars, including high fructose corn syrup. Packaged sauces. Many store-bought sauces, such as pasta, curry, and ketchup, contain hidden sugars. In addition to sugars, they often contain various unhealthy chemicals and preservatives. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is a beloved condiment, but it's primarily composed of sugar. Just 1 tablespoon of generic store-bought barbecue sauce contains 7 grams of sugar, almost half of your daily recommended sugar intake. Packaged salad dressings. Salads are considered healthy, but using high sugar dressings can negate their benefits. Most commercial salad dressings, including ranch and vinaigrette, contain added sugars. Consider making your own dressing at home for a healthier alternative. Packaged soups. Packaged soups may contain high fructose corn syrup, one of the least healthy sugar types. Additionally, they often include sucrose and dextrose. Making soup from scratch with vegetable or chicken broth is a better option. Canned fruits. While fruits are generally healthy, canned fruits are often soaked in sugar-laden syrups to preserve them. This process removes much of the fruit's nutrition and adds significant hidden sugar. Protein bars. Despite being marketed as healthy sources of quick energy, many protein bars contain up to 30 grams of added sugar, equivalent to a candy bar. Opt for natural sources of protein like chicken, fish, and nuts. Sports and mineral drinks. Sports drinks, often marketed for exercise, are laden with processed sugars like high fructose corn syrup. 1 bottle can contain as much sugar as a woman should consume in a day. Consider calorie-free sparkling water with fresh fruit for flavor. Fruit smoothies. Commercial fruit smoothies may contain high-fat ice creams, sugary yogurts, or syrups, along with excessive fruit portions. Drinking fruit in smoothie form can lead to rapid blood sugar spikes. Fruit juices. Fruit juices lack the fiber found in whole fruits, making them essentially concentrated sugar. Drinking fruit juice can cause rapid blood sugar spikes and should be consumed in moderation. French fries. While they come from potatoes, white potatoes are starchy and high in carbs. Coupled with deep frying, they can spike blood sugar levels and add unnecessary calories. Baked sweet potato fries are a healthier alternative. Packaged sweet treats. Packaged treats like dessert bars and cookies are laden with highly processed sugars, even when they appear healthy. Granola bars, for example, can contain excessive added sugar. White breads, rice, and flour pasta. These starchy carbohydrates have minimal fiber and can lead to rapid blood glucose spikes. Switching to whole grain products can provide a more gradual insulin response. Potato chips. Potato chips are often made from starchy white potatoes and loaded with additives, preservatives, and high fructose corn syrup. These chemicals can make chips addictive and disrupt feelings of fullness. Soft drinks. Soft drinks contain a significant amount of added sugar, with even supposedly healthy drinks containing high levels of sugar. The fructose in these drinks can trick your body into feeling hungry despite consuming excess calories. To combat obesity and diabetes, it's essential to opt for whole, natural foods like whole grains, fresh fruits and vegetables, and, most importantly, water. Choosing healthier options can empower you to take control of your health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and if you got anything from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.